Hello and welcome, and thanks for joining me on this beautiful British day. As you can see, we brought all the best weather that Britain has to offer, and we often get asked, what do we do if we've booked a drone flight and it starts raining? How do we sort that out? Because we can't fly the drone in the rain, and it's pretty dangerous because there's a lot of technical equipment, and also the water gets on the lens and spoils the shot, and also there's strong winds and things that we have to think about, and it's quite dangerous to fly the drone when there's strong winds about. So what do we do? So usually when it is raining, you get a small window of opportunity. It doesn't rain all day. I mean, you do get days like that in Britain, but like now, I mean, just before we started recording, it was actually belting it down, and now it's stopped. So sometimes you'll get these small pockets where we can keep ourselves busy, film other things, and then go, oh wait, it stopped raining, let's run outside and film it. But if it is raining all day, then really there isn't much we can do. We just have to sort of look at other options, maybe do a little bit more filming on the ground. Can we get the shot we want in a different way? If it is completely raining all day, there's not much we can do. And that's pretty much it. We're always checking the weather. We're always making sure that we try and get the shot as much as we can, and we always will get the shot if we have the window of opportunity. But if we can't, we can't. And that's what we do if it rains, but hopefully it just clears up like this.